Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla. So in this video, we're going to be continuing with the lab setup for our SCCM installation. If you haven't watched any of my other videos before, feel free to check them out to get caught up. But basically, we're going to be installing Windows ADK in this video. And Windows ADK, so it's the Windows Assessment and Deployment Toolkit, or Deployment Kit, my bad. It has the tools that you need to customize Windows images for large scale deployments and to test the quality and performance of your system. It's added components and the application's running on it. So we're going to do that. It's going to be really quick. I hope you guys like it. All right, let's get to it. Thanks.
All right, so we're going to go to our SCCM server. I'm going to go to my network share. And then I'm going to first install the ADK setup. That's the first one we're going to install, ADK setup. So I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to put run. And then wait for that to open. I'm going to put next. So this is going to take a gig of your disk space. So okay, next, put yes. Actually, put no. Put no. I don't want to do that. So put next, and then put accept. And then, so we're not going to select all of these ones. So we're going to unselect these last ones. And we're going to only leave the deployment toolkits, imaging and configuration designer, and user state migration tool. We're going to install those ones and wait for that to install. Okay, so that's good to go. And the next one we're going to do is the Windows pre-installation setup. So you're going to run that one. You should have already downloaded these. So that's going to take up 5 gigs. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So we're going to install that. We're going to go ahead and put next on this page. I'm going to put no. I'm going to accept and then just install. And that one is going to go ahead and install. Almost done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. After that install, so we're good. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys how to install the Windows ADK, the first one, and then the pre-installation one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video or liked it. If you have any comments or anything, please go ahead and let me know. If you want to go ahead and like and subscribe, that would be awesome too. But yeah, our next video, we're going to actually be installing SQL Server 2019 along with some other things that it needs. So yeah, we're going to do that. Stay tuned. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. All right, have a good one. Thanks. Bye.